Brick Breaker by Jared Taylor.
And Terry Phillips.
Summary of major achievements.
Displaying the score and incrementing the score.
Displaying the number of lives and decrementing the lives.
Getting the ball to bounce in the right direction when bouncing off the paddle.
Having ball disappear when colliding. Having break disappear when colliding with the ball.
Cool. As a gamer, I want to know the number of my lives to decrease if I die in the game, so the game has a chance to end.
The user's life decrement when they drop the ball.
The user's life remains constant during the game before death. So here, exit.
So you start with 7 lives.
And whenever the ball falls, which will be here in a second, the live moves down to 6.
Very decrement. As a gamer, I want to know my score so that I can know how well I'm doing.
The score increases when hitting the bricks.
Score starts at 0 at the beginning of the game.
Score remains the same before making contact with a brick.
Starts at 0. Scores increment. As a gamer, I don't want to start the game until I press the start button so that I can start the game on my own.
The game does not start until the start button is pushed.
The canvas objects are generated until the start is pressed. No objects.
And the game hasn't started until the start button.
There's objects. As a brick, I want to display when the ball crosses beneath so the gamer can move on.
Bricks disappear when the ball has made contact with the brick.
Before disappearing, the ball deflects.
When the brick disappears, it adds to the user's score. So as it disappears, it adds to the score. And it's also deflecting the ball.